So now let's add the image. So I'm going to go up to Fields here and click Add. And let's do a search for image. So we have two image fields. We have the one that displays in articles, products, and blog entries. And then we have our other one, which displays in user, which is the one that we want. So I'm going to check that and click Apply All Displays. Again, our relationship is already set because this field only exists for our user. We'll uncheck Create a Label. We'll leave the formatter at image. It's the only option here. For the image style, we have some options here. Now, this is going to display in our sidebar. So it makes sense to reuse the image style that has to do with the sidebar. That way, when the theme developer comes in to modify the image style for the sidebar, they only have to do it in one place, and it will apply to all of the images that display there in the full width of the sidebar. So we'll select sidebar. We'll leave link this image to nothing, and we don't need to do any rewriting, so we'll just click Apply All Displays. And if we scroll down, you'll see the author's avatar. Let's jump over to our wireframe and see what's coming up next. So next is our bio, which should be actually pretty easy to do. It's just a simple text field inside of our user entity. So we'll jump back to the Views editing page, and under Fields, let's click Add, and let's do a search for bio. And we only have one option here. It appears in user, so that's good. Let's click Apply. The relationship is already picked for us. We'll uncheck Create a Label. We'll leave the formatter at default for now, which will apply whatever text formats we've selected for it. And let's click Apply All Displays. If we scroll down, we'll see our bio here. Okay, let's jump back to the wireframe.